Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is India if you are new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my signature makeup look. This is a makeup look that I love to do. It's just a soft glam look that you can literally wear anywhere. This is literally what I do wherever I go. When I just want to look put together, I do this makeup look. So it went pretty fast, but I went in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and went ahead and primed my face with that, and then I went in with the Laneige lip sleeping mask just to moisturize my lips while I'm doing my makeup. And then I'm now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow just to give myself an inner glow before I put on my foundation. This foundation that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and it's in the shade 385 for reference. And then we're just going to be blending that in with our beauty blender. Alright guys, now we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. This is in the shade 370, and we are just going to be concealing our underbags. I'm going to put some on my chin, my forehead, and on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to be going in with another Fenty Beauty concealer. This is the Pro Filter Concealer. I like to use this one and to highlight underneath my eye bags. I can't talk. This is in the shade 340, and we're just going to use this concealer to really sculpt our under eyes, our chin, and a little bit on our forehead. Alright guys, after blending out that concealer, we're going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I really like this powder. It literally just makes my under eye bags so seamless. Like, you literally can't see it anymore. Like, I love this powder. And we're just going to be baking underneath our eyes. Alright guys, next we're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty contour stick. I just like to rub it up, warm it up on the back of my hand just to make it easier for it to glide onto my face. This one is in the shade Truffle. I literally love it so much. Like, yeah, this is the perfect shade for me. Oh my gosh. So, yes, I like to contour underneath my, jawline, my cheekbones, of course. And I just feel like it just snatches me up when I do my jawline, like, yeah. And then I do kind of in the middle between of my chin just to give me that little, I don't know, dip effect. I don't know, but it was giving at the end, so keep watching. Then I just do a little bit on my forehead, and then we're going to be going in with a tiny brush so that we can contour our nose. Now we're just dusting off that baking powder that we had on earlier. Alright guys, next we're going to be going in with the Joe Basco bronzer. I really like this. This actually came in my esthetician kit when I was in esthetician school, and I just kept it because I really like it. Like, I just love the color. It just does it for me, you know. So I just kept it, and I do use this myself. Alright guys, I'm just going back in with that same banana powder and baking on my smile lines, because you guys, if you don't bake on your smile lines, what are you doing? So yeah, I completely forgot to do that when I was baking earlier, so I went back and did it, and we're just dusting that off. Next, I'm going to be taking the NARS Duo palette. It comes with I believe a bronzer and a blush, but the blush is what I used today, and it was such a pretty blush. Like, you can't really tell on camera, but it was so pink and rosy. Like, it was so cute. Like, I love it. Next, we're going to be going in with the NARS highlighter. Dang, which one is this one? I'll have all the products down below, you guys, because I cannot remember which highlighter I used on this one. Alright, you guys, I'm just going in with that same bronzer that we used earlier, just putting it in my eyelid just to give us a little something in our eyes. And I was wearing eyelash extensions, so I just brushed them to make them look cute again. Set it my face with the Milani setting spray and fan that dry. And I did put on just a brown lip liner in the CoverGirl shimmer gloss. Alright guys, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.